Hey everyone, Brian here from Computer Cable Store. I'm back today with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use this Cat5e splitter. First thing we got to go over is how does this thing work? So since the Cat5e spec only requires 2 pairs for operation, we're able to split the line and use the unused pairs for a second wiring. It's a pretty simple idea and the installation is quick and easy. So let's get started with setting this thing up. So for the current setup, I have this switch, Cat5e line, it's about 50 feet, and then a loopback adapter, just so we can test the line. So what we're going to do is install these splitters on each end, hook up 2 loopback adapters, and see if the line works. Let's go over the equipment that we're going to need. We'll need our Cat5e splitters, possibly 2 couplers depending on how you have the ends terminated. If they're terminated in patch panels and keystone jacks, you will not need these couplers. But if you just have a single line ran, you will need some couplers. We'll need a couple patch cables to patch into the switch once we're done with the splitter. And a couple loopback adapters. You won't need these if you have devices at the other end, but since we don't have any here, we're just going to use these to test the line. So first, let's unplug our line and hook up the coupler. We'll take one of the pairs of the splitter, plug it into the coupler. We'll hook up our patch cables to the switch, and then we're going to plug our patch cables into the splitter. So that end is done. You need to make sure you have an extra port on your switch, or else this will not operate properly. So to the other end, we'll need our coupler again. Hook up the other end of the splitter, and then we'll hook up these loopback testers to test each line together. So we'll plug in the first one, you'll see the lights up, and we have connectivity. Plug in the second one, again you'll see the light lights up and we have connectivity. So this is a simple, cheap, easy way to split a line to add an extra connection where you might not be able to. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.
Yeah.